Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project and importing assets so you can edit without interruptions. Open iMovie 2025, choose Movie for timeline control, then import clips and audio into an event. This speeds browsing. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and frame rate so motion and crop match your delivery platform. Make sure to name the project and enable optimized media if your Mac asks. This reduces playback lag and ensures smoother trimming when you start cutting clips together. Now you assemble the story. Drag primary clips to the timeline, then add B-roll above as connected clips so they follow edits. Use JKL playback to shuttle and mark in /out points. When precision matters, open the precision editor for exact trims. Once clips are placed, detach audio to fix sync or replace with better sound, and use the inspector to apply color correction, stabilization, and noise reduction. These steps refine pacing and polish, so your visuals and audio read cleanly to the viewer. To finish, export with settings that match your destination. Choose File, Share File, pick codec, resolution, and quality. For web, select H. 264 for high fidelity, choose ProRes. Once exported, test the file for audio sync and color accuracy and re-export if needed. If playback stutters or exports fail, delete iMovie render files and relaunch or rebuild optimized media. That usually clears corruption. Finally, archive the project library and source files so you can revisit or re-export later without losing quality.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.